Not anymore a vocation, not just a passion, but a mission. To all students of CBRC present today, you witness one of the most significant milestones in our lives as educators, businessmen, and industry practitioners. One day, you'll stand on the same road, reminding us of what we did well for God and humanity. The toga and the medallion we were given today will remind us what else has to be done and what we should have done better in our respective positions. Public office is not about wealth and position and education. Now that he witnesses the number and the ten, but not his legacy in the field of education and business. And to you, Dr. Georgine Ang, please continue in transforming the lives of the students of the biggest and thickly populated state university, Polytechnic University of the Philippines. You may not have been rewarded by how much, but many years from now, it will not matter how much wealth or riches we may have accumulated. But when we change the lives of the people before and after us, that will be our greatest contribution to God and humanity. Hindi natin pwedeng sukatin ng magkano ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ngayon. Subalit kung mababago natin ang buhay ng bawat kabataang Pilipino at ang kanilang pamilya, ito ang ating ambag sa Diyos at sa bayan. For on behalf of all the conferees of today's Royal Institute Singapore conferment ceremony, we humbly accept this award, this certification, and membership to the organization. God bless and long live Royal Institute Singapore.
Once again, Dr. Fellow, Dr. Raimundo P. Arcega. Thank you for that message.
To the pledge of loyalty, to be led by Dr. Fellow, Dr. Athena Georgine Ang.
Loyalty. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, your name, solemnly pledge that I shall continue to live up to the standard of excellence. I shall abide by the guidelines and promote knowledge for excellence, freedom, and justice for the service of God.
Congratulations everyone and welcome to the Royal Institution family. Please remain standing for the Royal Institution hymn. At this juncture, we also honorable Dr. Fellow
In collaboration with Dr. Carl E. Balita and his center on July 4, 2026 at the Cuneta Astrodome, Pasay City, Philippines. Given this.
Alright, and it goes there. Alright, come on. Bilis ng mate. Bilis. Alright, and okay, makakarating dito yan sa dulo. Alright, then pagkatapos dito, aatras siyang sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3, go! Kasama yung gilid. Come on, kasama kayo ngayon. Go, papunta doon. Tatayo pa rin kayo. No? Then pagdating sa dulo, bring it on for gilid. Alright, okay, so that's the movement yun na. Yung mga top notchers natin, ginawa lang nila dati. This is the CBRC tradition. Anong date ito? September. Dito ako. Okay, dito ako. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Tapos may energy. Tatayo, then upo agad. Ready? Okay. This is CBRC September 2026 Cuneta Astrodome Wave. Go! And backwards, go! And bring it forward. Come on, bring it forward. Come on. And tatayo. Ha? Practice na. Alright, let's do this. Ito, totoo na to. This is CBRC, September 11, 2026, Cuneta Astrodome Wave. Go! And backwards. And the wave goes forward. Go. And all right. So this is our song. Come on. Come on. Put your okay. I think I'm come on. Come on.
Ang Pilipinas, sabay-sabay! Ayan. Okay. Pusong sweet.
All right. Thank you very much, Madam.